Hello and welcome. Today we are going to continue the big 60 by 90 centimeter diamond painting. I did not paint for almost a month, maybe a little bit longer. Why? I went on holidays. It's a big painting, so I could not bring it with me on my holiday. And yeah, that's basically it, the reason. What we are going to do today is a big part. I think it will be 20 by 20 centimeters, maybe a little bit bigger, I don't know. I'm not gonna pull off the paper in one, so I'm going to do it in small parts. But don't let us talk too much. I will get my stuff ready and then we will start painting. back again. It took me actually a long time to do this, and it's a lot of work. And now I'm thinking about this huge, super huge painting I have, the one of 1m20 by 1m60, and I'm I'm not sure what I will do with this painting, if I ever will do this painting, because it's a lot of work. I fold the painting in half now, so this is what we did by now. Actually, we did a little part of here, and we did this whole part. So basically it's yeah, I think a little bit more than 20 by 25, and a little part here. As you can see, this is the water. Actually, in the reflection of the camera, it looks pretty nice. The water, the reflection in the water. This is the yeah, how do you call this? The road, the road next to the hotel, sorry. And this is the hotel itself, and here the sky continues. When I see it from nearby, I'm thinking maybe the part where the painting really is not that big, but from a little distance it looks nice. But we have a lot of sky and a lot of blue, so yeah. If you are going to do a painting like this, think about this. Don't put too much sky or too much water, because one, it will be a lot of work, and two, yeah, the painting is big, but the subject itself is not that big actually, because there is a lot of blue of the sky and blue of the water. But we will continue and we will see how it end up on the end. So I hope you like my video. If you want to see more of my videos, just subscribe to my channel, push the bell button for push notification, so you will get an automatic notification when I upload a new video. And then in the next episode we will do the rest of the sky. Maybe I will do this without a video, because it's actually not that interesting to see. I can make a nice time lapse of it, but most of it it's just one color of blue. But just tell me in the box below if you want to see me doing a time lapse of the whole sky. There are no clouds in it, so it will be one color. Remind that, maybe 2 or 3 colors, I don't know. But just comment below what you want to see in the next video, and if you want me to do a time lapse of the sky, or that I should only make a video. You saw this flying. Or I only should make a video of the hotel itself. So thank you for watching again. See you real soon, and hope you do nice work with your own paintings. Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon.